What a beautiful evening. Whew. Just wondering why that was so heavy. I've never caught an eel here before. Oi! That way. Why are you going the wrong way? That way. Oh, for God's sake. Where are you going? I got him. Weirdo. Shit, I locked myself in the car. I couldn't get this fish. Oh, that's got decent head shakes. Oh, what do we got? That feels alright. Must be Tailor. It's going nuts, and it's silver. Or it's a little mully. Tailor. There's Tailor. Phew! Decent size. We on, we got a Tailor. Big Tailor. Man, these bugs are killing me. God damn it. Oh, we on, we on. Another big Tailor. Another big Tailor, baby. Yeah, you want to bite me, don't you? Whoa, big launch. Another big Tailor. These guys are pretty big. Well, that was a very bloody hot night. So yeah, just a 4 Tailor last night. Lost the ray, which I'm spewing out because I wanted that shark bait today. But that's alright. I'll just have to use Tailor and mullet and stuff for now. Yeah, beautiful morning. Sun's coming up over there. Beautiful pink sky. Just put my surf rods out. Yeah, might get my shark bait out and start bellying up. Bloody weedy sort of area here, so might have to get my drone up and have a decent look at the ground here. See if there's any clear areas. So yeah, last night I was fishing just in these shallow sandy areas outside of the weed patches, so that was getting the job done. That's where I just cast with my rods now with some bait, so see how that goes. But yeah, very weedy sort of areas out there. Yeah, I'll get the drone up, have a look, see if it's going to be worth moving or not. Old Captain Fluff should be on his way out this morning, so yeah, we'll have another session today, see how we go. Better get my coffee in before that sun rears its head too much. Oh, we're ready. We're on here. I'm not sure if I am now because it's got a chunk of weed on it. Oh, yeah, we're still on. The hell? That is one big herring. That's a bloody big herring. Just gonna put a mullet on for now. Take it one fillet off it that I use for bait. It's probably gonna get smashed by small shit. We'll have a little crack at these hezzers. Heads are on. Heads are on. I'm ready to get some bait. Ah, it's a bloody... Oh. What the hell? Butterfish. Mully bait. Mully bait. Mully bait. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Jumping out there. Where you on, baby? Woo! Where you on, baby? Oh! Oh, it's gone. Man, that launched out of the water. Tell me it didn't bust me off. Oh, it did bust me off. Broke the wire. Snapped the wire. Gonna need a bigger leader. 300-pound wire just snapped. Brand new one too. Oh, we'll try this one. A bit bigger hook. Plastic coated. 300-pound. Alright, we'll gear this up. Time to break in the new barbecue. You check that out. Oh yeah. Break it in with some lamb offcuts. You. Yeah, baby. Get on there. There you go. Get in there. Oh yeah. Fresh Tailor fillets. You. Righto. Next bait ready to go out. Big Tailor set to go. Let's send him. Yeah. Yeah. Who's filming? Who's filming? Look at that jump! Look at that jump! Look at that, bro! Oh, no? Oh, no, he's on there. He's on there, baby.
Camera. Have you got your camera on?
Yeah.
Alright. How sick's that? Watching that jump out of the water. Camera. Oh, I hope it didn't bust you.
Hey, I told you I got to show you a shark, didn't I? We're going to show you a shark, boy.
Just keep that on there. You keep it still.
Hopefully it doesn't collect too much weed. This is going to go for a while. Yeah.
You're going to fire them out, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, it's not as easy just pulling in like a normal fish.
Yep. Oh, I've seen them splashing around.
How's the launch on it, man?
Yeah, bro. Is that what it did last time?
Yeah. Fresh bait. See, I should have baited up earlier, man. That big Tailor, eh? Just got stomped.
Sick!
That's a bronzy.
Woo!
I think it's a bronzy.
Oh my gosh.
Bronze whaler. Hold this, brother. Hold tension on. Hold that right.
Can you pull it in? Woo! Oh, wait, there's a tiny fish there. So,
That's a bronzy.
woo!
Yeah, baby.
Woo! Oh yeah. Oh, I kind of want to touch it. Quick touch.
Yeah, that's sick. Oh, watch out for his tail blade.
Oh, you hit it?
Hey, son, you hold this. You hold this. This boat.
You okay?
Almost broke my wrist. Alright, swim him out.
Alright, fiddly lad.
Video. Yeah, boy. Okay. That's sick, eh?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, boy.
Good catch.
Alright, my last Tailor going on shark bait. You. Righto, through there. And then up. In. And out. Alright. And some ghost cotton. Ooh, how calm is it? Such a good evening to be yakking out shark baits. Phew.
Come on, bring your head up.
Oh, real little man, boy.
Tighten up, drag a little bit. You alright, keep going. Hang on, stop. Yep. Oh, head rug, yeah. Yeah, head rug. Woo. Oh no, it's a butterfish. Butterfish. Good mully bait.
What?
Yeah, bro.
Woo.
Vodka time, baby. Fluff's out there doing a weed run.
Getting the weed off the shark line. Boys out there catching bog butterfish. Woo! Yeah. We on, baby. We definitely on. Alright, now he's at a run. I'm gonna jam that up.
Yeah.
And we're on, bro.
Yeah.
Put that in there. Make sure it locks.
Oh,
yeah, bro. Yeah, bro.
so what are
It's not light, bro. Pull and wind. Pull and wind. But don't rush it. He's not going anywhere, bro. Don't rush it. You just think it's you against him, bro, so you just got to wear him out. Like, there's no rush. Alright, bro, I'm keeping my eye on it.
Oh, he's smart.
The boy got a little tail on. Woo! So the wind's blown in now, over 20 knots, so it doesn't look like it's going to go anywhere. So I reckon we'll boost it on home, and yeah, cheers for watching and catch you on the next one. Blowing up big time, so packed up, ready to go. Look at that dirty water now. Fluffy's just gone up, so I'm going to catch up with him. Alright, till next time, catch you later.